this video, I'll show you how to permanently close your PlayStation Network account. You can do this using the PS5 web browser, APC, or the PlayStation app. First, open Google and type Close PSN account in the search bar. If you're in the US, click the first link. If you're outside the US, click the second one. This will take you to the official PlayStation page titled How to Close Your Account for PlayStation Network. To proceed, you'll need your sign-in email address and your PSN online ID, and you'll have to contact PlayStation directly. Now, before you go ahead, here's what it means to close your account. You can't reuse your online ID. You'll permanently lose access to purchased content, subscriptions, and any funds in your PSN wallet. If you're sure about it, scroll down the page and click Contact Us, single quotes, then select Account Security, followed by Change Online ID and other account questions. On that page, you'll see more details about the process, and there will be a live chat button. Click on that during their business hours to speak with a PlayStation support agent and request to close your account. Hope this helped. If it did, drop a like. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.